A Bluetooth car adapter can transform your driving experience by enabling seamless wireless connectivity, hands-free calls, and high-quality music streaming. Whether you drive an older model without built-in Bluetooth or simply want enhanced audio performance, these devices bridge the gap effortlessly. In this video, I will explore some of the best Bluetooth car adapters on the market, evaluating their features, audio quality, and overall convenience. Number 1 is JOYROOM Bluetooth car adapter. This adapter offers an outstanding combination of versatility and power, making it an ideal choice for drivers who demand high-speed charging and premium audio performance. What sets this device apart is its dual functionality. It can work as both an FM transmitter and an AUX adapter. If your car has a 3.5mm jack, you can bypass FM frequencies altogether, ensuring zero distortion and delivering crisp, clear sound directly through your car's speakers. This eliminates the common issue of signal interference, making AUX mode a significant advantage. Another impressive feature of this adapter is its ability to charge multiple devices simultaneously. With one 30-watt power delivery Type-C port and two 18-watt Quick Charge 3.0 USB ports, it provides rapid charging for smartphones, tablets, and other devices. It intelligently assigns the most efficient charge, ensuring minimal wait time. This is particularly useful for road trips or daily commutes where battery life is crucial. In terms of usability, this adapter is designed for safer driving. Unlike traditional adapters that plug into the cigarette lighter, this one is mounted to the air vent, keeping controls within easy reach. The large buttons allow quick adjustments without distraction. Its enhanced microphone, equipped with CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology, ensures crystal clear calls by filtering out background noise, making conversations more natural and uninterrupted. The audio experience is further enhanced with a built-in bass boost feature, delivering deep, immersive sound at the press of a button. Coupled with Bluetooth 5.4, which provides a stable, high-speed connection, the adapter guarantees uninterrupted music streaming and effortless reconnections. Number 2 is Nulaxy Bluetooth car adapter. For those who prioritize visibility and ease of use, the Nulaxy Bluetooth car adapter is a top contender. Featuring a large display screen, it provides a wealth of information at a glance, including the track name, FM frequency, battery voltage, and incoming calls. This makes it an excellent option for drivers who prefer a more detailed interface. Sound quality is a highlight of this adapter. It offers a treble and bass music streaming option, allowing users to fine-tune their audio preferences. Whether you enjoy powerful bass-driven beats or prefer crisp high tones, the ability to switch between modes enhances the listening experience. The built-in microphone is notably strong, capturing voice commands effectively for hands-free calls and voice assistant functions. Charging capabilities are also impressive. Equipped with a Quick Charge 3.0 USB port, it rapidly powers up smartphones and other devices, reducing the time spent waiting for a full charge. This is particularly beneficial for drivers who rely on their devices for navigation and communication throughout the day. Despite these strengths, the Nulaxy adapter does have limitations. The large display, while informative, may contribute to glare in bright conditions, making it difficult to read. Additionally, like most FM transmitters, it is susceptible to occasional frequency interference, which can impact sound clarity in congested areas. Number 3 is Syncwire car adapter. If high-speed charging and premium call quality are priorities, the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is a compelling choice. This adapter features two PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 fast charge ports, along with a built-in 6-foot coiled USB-C cable, making it one of the most convenient options for simultaneous charging. The latest Bluetooth 5.4 chip ensures a stable connection with minimal lag, making it effortless to stream music and take calls without interruptions. Speaking of calls, it stands out with its dual microphone system, which incorporates CVC noise suppression and echo cancellation. This makes hands-free conversations clearer, even in noisy environments. For music lovers, the deep bass enhancement feature delivers rich, immersive sound. Activating it with the press of a button instantly amplifies lower frequencies, making bass-heavy tracks more dynamic. Additionally, an LED ambient light switch enhances nighttime usability, allowing drivers to locate controls easily in the dark. However, while the built-in coiled cable is a convenient addition, Number 4 is Sonru car adapter. It is another excellent choice for users who value seamless connectivity and powerful sound performance. Built with the advanced Bluetooth 5.3 chip, it offers a stable connection with minimal transmission delay, ensuring uninterrupted music playback and call clarity. The device excels in audio quality, featuring deep bass and treble control for a customizable listening experience. With a simple press of the bass button, users can enhance low-frequency sounds, creating a more immersive soundstage. Additionally, the 5-color LED lighting system adds a stylish touch to the car's interior. Charging efficiency is another highlight. Equipped with dual PD 36-watt and QC 3.0 and 18-watt fast charging ports, it supports a variety of devices. Number 5 is Sumind wireless car adapter. It is designed for drivers who want an easy-to-use, versatile Bluetooth solution. With its intelligent charging system, it features 2 USB ports, a smart 2.4A port capable of detecting and adjusting for Android and other devices, and a QC 3.0 fast charging port to speed up charging times significantly. A notable feature is its large 1.7-inch LCD display, which provides important information such as incoming calls, song names, FM frequency, and even the vehicle's battery voltage. The screen is mounted on a 270-degree gooseneck, allowing users to adjust the viewing angle for maximum comfort. Unlike other adapters, the Sumind model includes an easy-to-use control system, with a large button design that enhances usability while driving. It also allows users to turn off the FM function without disrupting the charging feature, offering greater flexibility. Each of these Bluetooth car adapters offers distinct advantages. The JOYROOM adapter stands out for its AUX mode and vent-mounted design, making it ideal for users seeking zero distortion sound. The Nulaxy adapter's large display and voice assistant integration provide excellent usability, while the Syncwire adapter excels in charging power and call clarity. Finally, the Sonru adapter is perfect for those who want customizable sound and reliable Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity.